We have a huge box. And guys, this is the cheapest thing from Fendi. Are you ready? Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be buying the cheapest thing on Fendi. Also, just really quickly before this video starts, I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. I just went out and got these. There are 3 Visa gift cards for $75. I was wanting $100 ones, but they didn't have them. There's gonna be 3 winners. There's 3 chances to win $75 Visa gift card. I am Canadian, so I'm reading the back here. There's a foreign exchange service charge. So if you win this and you do live in the States, for me reading this, it looks like you're gonna get charged 2.5% if you do win these and you're in the US or wherever. It is gonna be open worldwide, so you could use these online. There's a bunch of like fine print, like you can't do pay at the pump. Certain online transactions won't accept these, but a lot of places do accept these, so you guys can have a little shopping spree on me. The reason why I'm doing this is because I hit 1 million subscribers in December. It was a while ago, and I said I wanted to do a Visa gift card giveaway, and I'm finally doing that. So all you need to do to win one of these $75 gift cards is to subscribe to this channel and then follow me on Instagram and just comment on this picture whatever you want to comment. That's it. That's it. Fendi, where is your torch? Come and light up my world. No. Yes, I am wearing a WIG. I love it. Why am I so weird? So many of you guys have been asking me to do more of these videos. I please the peeps. I'm also really cringy. Do you like my new setup? Let me know in the comments below. Fendi.com. Fendi is trendy right now. They ship to Canada, that's great. So again, I always say this, but I'm Canadian, so the price is gonna be in Canadian currency. So if you find the exact item or items in here that are cheaper, you might be in a different currency. So make sure you are looking in Canadian dollars if you want to find exactly the price that I find. Okay, capiche? Let's go. The categories we have are woman, man, kids, gift ideas, casa, which means house. So like maybe like a couch. I can find a $10 couch. I'm very excited. Fendi Roma, ra ra Roma, ga ga, ooh la la. Store locator, F is for. I can think of a lot of F words right now, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna start from the first one, and it's women. The categories are new arrivals, bags, strap you. I feel like that's like a 4th grader's insult. Strap you. Okay? Bag, charms, wallet, and small accessories, ready to wear, shoes, fashion, Okay, new arrivals we're skipping because if it's like a shoe, it's just gonna be in the shoe category. So we're just gonna go right into bags. Okay, so when I go, ooh, they're pretty. We have $6,000. Sis, they come and go with a lot of these bags, so what happens when they don't sell a $6,000 bag? Does it go to like TJ Maxx or something? I'll literally be their garbage dump. So I'm going to set my destination for low to high, and the cheapest bag is wallet on a chain for $13.90. Your cheapest bag is $1,000. I'm very curious if this strap you category, oh, it's just straps for, okay. So they have like $1,100 just for a strap for your bag. A strap! A strap. I'm shaking. And the lowest price strap is $410, and it's mini. It's probably like this big. Like, girl, if you guys are looking to buy a $400 strap, I could, you know, make you one. Bag charms. I'm really hoping we can get a bag charm for the cheapest thing, because I remember them being so super cute. Yeah, so cute. Look at that space monkey. Oh, this space, they're all space. They're so... $950. $950 for a bag charm. Okay, so next time you guys see like a girl with like a cute little bag charm that's from Fendi, like, get her away. She means business. Anyone that's gonna spend that, like, holy, if somebody gifted that to me, I would like literally be their slave. I'd clean their house, I'd scrub the windows, I would do whatever it took. So the cheapest bag charm is $250. So that's our cheapest thing so far, is this spring clip. How boring. Get out. The cheapest wallet and small accessory is $270. Literally $20 more. I could have gotten a bag instead of a dumb clip. Okay, for the ready to wear, I need to know what the highest price item is. Like, I want to know what their most expensive clothing item is. $14,000. Girl, that was the price of my butt. Like, who buys that in a jacket when you can buy a butt? Now the cheapest item is $410 in their shorts. All this here, the shorts, the tops are so cute. But I'd rather pay like all my bills for the month. The cheapest shoes, which I don't understand how this is shoes, but we have a bunch of socks. No, it's a shoes category. It's not like a shoes and footwear. I feel like if I bought these socks and then I just like went out of the house with them and then I like stepped on a rock and it went through my foot and I was like, Fendi said it was a shoe, I'm suing. Just kidding. That would be under the category of Darwinism. I would get a Darwin award. $150 for socks. Like, it's a lot, but that's what we're getting so far. $150 socks. Oh, the cheapest jewelry is $150. So, would I rather a necklace or socks? And I'm choosing socks. Just kidding. Yeah, we're gonna get a necklace for $150. Please let that be the cheapest. Like, please, I want to get a necklace. How are socks the equivalent of a necklace? What's textile accessories? Oh, like scarves? Yeah, oh yeah. Ooh, those are so cute. $700? You could probably find that at Claire's. And the cheapest are $210 across the board, so they're out for us. The cheapest belt is $490. Next. And then we have a books category. 2 books, one is $55 and then one is $100. So our cheapest is $55 for a book. I was hoping to wear something, but okay. So now moving on to the man category. We have pretty much the same category. So for all these, I'm just gonna go low to high for all of them. The cheapest bag is $640 and we are looking for $55. So if anyone has like a rich uncle that's like old and, you know, wants to spend money on someone, send them my way. The lowest bag accessory is $360. Why would you even want to put that on your bag? The cheapest wallets and small accessories, bah. The cheapest ready-to-wear item is $470. The cheapest shoes are all slides for $420. The cheapest fashion jewelry is a big clip that we're not buying. $520 for the cheapest belt, $240 for the textile accessories. All of them there, they're like little bands you can wear, bands that make a dance. And the last category is book, and it has the exact same too, so $55 is the cheapest in man. But we have the whole kids section, which is junior boys, junior girls, and baby. And I can click view all in each category. Cheapest junior boys item is a $200 t-shirt. $200 for like a little kid running around. Could you imagine? I have like 2 shirts over $200 and I rarely wear them. And these kids are like rolling in dirt and like, here honey, put on your $335 sweatshirt. Cause I feel like these items here aren't for like, oh, a fancy supper. These are for like their t-shirts. Like they're for rolling around. The cheapest junior girls items are $200 leggings. Those are some bougie girls. Is that what Nicolette Gray wore when she was a kid? Oh my god, just by clicking baby, bomber jacket for a baby, we're in the baby section now, is almost $1,300. And the little baby bunks kit is $600. $600. A blanket is $400. We're okay. But the cheapest, the blanket is the cheapest little kid item. All of them are $400. Then we have casa, and I'm just gonna click living room and hope that we can get a couch. Oh, it's just showing you what they have, and then you can go into the store or you can find a boutique, which are probably in like Rome, and they're probably not gonna be under $55, so we're all good. So you can't actually buy anything from this casa section unless you go into the boutique. Relatable. The Fendi Roma has like careers, made to order stuff, not under $55 probs. Fendi's private suites. I'm wearing like a $5 wig, like we're okay. Store locator in the last section is F is for, and it's for freaks, faces, all this that you can see. It's such like stories. So our cheapest item is a book. It's the Giuseppe Panon, I'm sorry, not sorry, Matrice hardcover book in English. We love reading. All right, I'm gonna order it up. I'll see you guys when it gets here. Okay guys, look, wig snatch. 2 days. This took 2 days to get to me. Here is the box. It is huge. Ow. So let's peep it together. Here's the packaging. We have a little Fendi envelope. What's this? International shipping documentation. It's empty! UPS trying to prank me? Dear client, thank you for buying on Fendi.com. We are always fully committed to offering products and services of the highest standards. We hope you're satisfied with your purchase. A symbol of the prized quality and artisanal craftsmanship that Fendi pursues. I was like, purses, what? I got a purse. This is how you return and dead my receipt. Now for the reveal. Look at it. What else was in here? Just a bunch of Fendi paper. Giuseppe Penone Matrice. Sounds like what I had for lunch yesterday. It says Fendi on it. It says Fendi at the side. Oh, I could put it like here and display. I'd be like, I have a Fendi book. Like I buy Fendi. It has a guy looking up at a tree with there's a shoe on top, and then there's like half of a garbage can, and then that's like literally what I had for lunch yesterday. The cheapest thing on Fendi is a book. Oh, we cracked. Do some people like, that should have been an ASMR, that cracking the first book. Doesn't do it anymore. Ready, children? Matrice. Giuseppe Penone Matrice. Oh, there's more trees with things in them. I feel like we're the Blair Witch Project. There's another tree with a thing on it. Is this a Fendi tree book? Oh, they're like creating stuff. Well, I'm just gonna get right on to reading this. There's a bunch of trees. It's a tree book. This is actually kind of cool. I'm living for it. What are these things in tree? Okay, well, I'm gonna read all about it and I'm gonna let you guys know. But thank you so much for watching the buying the cheapest thing on Fendi. Did you think that this is what it was gonna be? What about the price? Were you guys shocked? $55. It was free shipping too, by the way. Did you think that's like crazy? Do you think that's like, whoa, for Fendi, that's a good price for the cheapest thing? And also for a hardcover book, $55. Now that I'm thinking about it, a hardcover book, like I can go to Value Village and get a hardcover book for like $3. So $55 for a book. Now that I'm thinking of it, I'm like, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys want to enter my giveaway to win a $75 Visa gift card, then you can go ahead and do that. Maybe you can buy your own Fendi book. I love you guys. Bye.